This is a DIY controller holder I made for a friend's kid and they really loved it. So today I'm going to show you how I built it using all basic tools and techniques so that by the end of this video you'll know exactly what you need to do if you want to build it on your own, either for yourself, for sale, or as a gift. So with that, let's get started. For this project, I'm using poplar wood, and the first thing I had to do was set the angle on my circular saw to 45 degrees. Then I just made a cut to angle the wood. I measured out 14 inches for the length, and with the same angle on the saw, I made another cut. With this laid out, I measured 10 inches tall and cut this part straight. To make the little rests that the controllers will be sitting on, I just measured 1 inch tall and cut them the width of the board. I marked where I wanted these rests to sit at 3 inches and 9 inches from the bottom. Then I was going to screw them together from behind, but I found out that poplar splits really easily, so instead I just decided to glue everything together and then later hammer in some brad nails to keep it secure. To make the base, I used a 1x6 and made it 14 inches long so that there would be a little extra room behind the controller stand. Once I had all these pieces ready to go, I just measured to make sure it would be centered and then took my time gluing it together, which was a bit of a balancing act, I'm not gonna lie. I did have to go buy some brad nails since I didn't have them originally, so that's why I glued it all first, but it would probably be better if you nailed it together with the glue at the same time. Once it was nailed together, it was time to paint. I painted it all black except for the controller rests, which I made red. And that's really all there is to it. It's a pretty simple build, but it's actually a really nice thing to have, and it makes a great little beginner project or just an easy gift idea. I also made it to go with this shelf, so if you want to see how I made that, I have another video that I'll link in the description. I'm no professional, so feel free to let me know anything you would have changed or done differently in the comments, but in the meantime, I just like to share what I make so that hopefully someone out there can find this video helpful. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.